So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use multiple datasets in Power BI. So for that, open any report. We need to enable one feature. For that, go to Files, Options and Settings, Options, go to Preview Features, and make sure the checkbox for Direct Query for Power BI dataset and AS is selected. If it is not, do select this, click on OK. It will ask you to restart your Microsoft Power BI. So please do that. I will click on OK. Now I will add first data set. Click on Get Data, text CSV. I will add employee. So employee is my first data set. I will load this data. So as you guys can see, we have successfully loaded our first data set. Let's see how we can load one more data set. For that, again go to Get Data, text CSV. This time we'll add Superstore dataset. Click on load. Depending on your size of dataset, it will take time. So as you guys can see, we have successfully loaded both dataset. Let's see how we can make use of both dataset into single Power BI report. So let's see, in employee, I want to create a bar of marks by city. So I will select marks. I will select city. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a bar chart by using employee dataset. Let's see. Now I want to create profit generated by each category. So I will select profit. I will select category, and this time I will select donut chart. Now this donut chart we have created using the second dataset, which is Superstore dataset. So in this way, one can make use of multiple dataset into single Power BI report. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.